How's it going, guys? Happy Wednesday. Truth be told, I wasn't super motivated today to work on any of the trucks. And then I came out in the garage and I realized that the shocks for the OBS had arrived. So I wanted to get those installed. They are the Beltec Nitro Drop 2s. They're made for the 5 to 7 inch drop. The truck had new rear shocks on when I bought it from my buddy. But since doing that axle flip kit, the shocks bottomed out, so they needed to be replaced. So let's get these bad boys put on and see how they look. Well, I was able to get the shocks installed tonight, and I swear anything that could fight me fought me, but they're installed. So at least that's done with the truck. Next up, putting the bed back on the truck. And then next week we'll be installing the new wheels and tires. I'm excited to see that. It'll completely change the look of the truck. And I'll see you guys on the next video.